GShock make watches for a variety of situations, whether it be running, up a mountain or on a military mission. However, some of our more simpler watches have been trusted by a very particular sector for decades, and that sector of course is heavy industry. Thanks to SQS, you join me in one of their many depot sites, where today we'll be showing you how one of our newest GShock watches can withstand anything a site like this can throw at it. And the watch in question is this, the new GA900. Sporting a brand new bolt-like design, this watch stands out with its large durable casing, guarded structure and shock-resistant button guards. One particular feature you'll notice is the hazard tape design accents you'll find all around the watch, fitting right in on your wrist whilst dealing with the various hazards of the site. But what exactly does a watch like this bring to the table? Well, to start off with, it's shock and vibration resistant. And to demonstrate that, we're going to throw one into one of these. This is an R230 Screener. It uses extreme vibrations to break up solid concrete and rock. We're going to throw a GA900 into it and see if it survives. So to do this, we've placed some tape around the watch so we can find it. We're now going to place it in the dirt here. The digger will pick up the watch and then throw it into the screener. Right, we can see the watch, what it would have had to have endured all the vibrations and concrete smashing as it went through the machine. Well, there's a few bumps and knocks which is to be expected after being processed through an industrialised machine, but the watch itself is absolutely fine. Now, if you leave your watch lying around on a site like this, there's a pretty good chance it'll be run over by one of these. This is a Case 1121G. And as you can see, if it runs over your GA900, it will be absolutely fine. When working on any site, you're bound to use heavy machinery or tools, and with that brings vibrations, and depending on the size of the machine, they can be quite extreme. Take for example a trench rammer. This piece of equipment creates a huge amount of vibration magnitude, which affects the person using it and the equipment that they're wearing. However, all vibrations, no matter how extreme, pass straight through a G-Shock watch, without any worry about the watch malfunctioning or being damaged. The usual tools come built in as standard, with 5 daily alarms, a countdown timer, stopwatch, as well as a super bright LED light. Straps are now interchangeable. You can manually remove each spring bar from the watch to personalise your very own G-Shock. On top of all that, the watch has a battery life of up to 7 years from a single battery. The GA900 is also 200 meters water resistant and perfect for any water-based jobs or activities. It's also resistant to various chemicals and volatile materials you'll find on a site like this, such as concrete. So despite continuous impacts and the volatile cement attacking the watch, it's absolutely fine. A further test of its impact resistance is to set the GA900 into some concrete and see if we can smash it out with a jackhammer. We know G-Shocks are resistant to, well, just about anything, but it really doesn't get more extreme than setting one in some concrete and breaking it out with a jackhammer. And as you can see, despite everything we've done to this watch today, it still continues to work and operate perfectly. So, there we are. In sites and areas where you need your equipment to last, look no further than the G-Shock GA900. It won't let you down.